All right, so I've had so many questions about what do I use to create my Facebook and YouTube videos. And this one's going out to my buddy Trent in Sherman, Texas. I know you want to be a YouTuber, so I'm going to give you some info of what I use to create my YouTube videos. Coming up. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. Hey, I know this is not my usual format, but I've had so many questions about how do I create these videos? What equipment am I using? So I'm just gonna show you what I use to create these videos. Now, for the video itself, what kind of camera am I using? I'm using an iPhone 6 Plus. Now, I shoot in 60 frames per second. But that's all I'm using is the iPhone. Now, another thing that I use that I always carry around with me is my tripod. Now, I'm going to link this information below. Now, this tripod is an Acuvar tripod. I found it on Amazon. At the time I found it, it was around $12. It could be up or down, but I will definitely put a link in below. And of course, you need to always have some type of microphone. Now, whether you're going to be a lapel mic, a mic that you plug into your phone or camera, I use a pop voice lapel mic. I've actually got it right down here right now, but this is what I use. I'm not actually wearing it. I just have it sitting on the table right now. But so what do I carry with me all the time, no matter what? My phone. You always have your phone with you. My tripod and my microphone. So wherever I am at, I am ready to go, ready to shoot a video at any time. Now, if I know I'm gonna shoot a video, I know I'm going indoors, I know, I have a heads up of what I'm gonna be shooting, and I want it to look right, I want it to look nice, I'm gonna use lighting. Lighting kit that I use is LimoStudio lighting kit, and right now I'm using two the LimoStudio soft light kits. Of course, I'll link that below. As you can see, these two right here, I mean, they put out some excellent lighting here. It's real soft, and they're pretty mobile. I can take these and set them up and break them down anywhere, and it has a nice little carrying case, and I can just store those in the back of my car and they ride along with me as well. Now, one thing, if you do have these lighting kits, you might also want to invest in an extension cord, because the cords aren't too long, so sometimes you have a cord, you have to stretch it around, so it's always a plus to have an extension cord. Because if you know me, I'm not going to spend a ton of money on this. I'm going to look for the least expensive way to create the best quality videos. Now, with all that said, I now have Osmo Mobile Gimbal. Just started using it. This is a pretty sweet little toy. Yeah, I call it a toy. To me, it's like a toy. It's another little gadget that I love to have. So I will link the info to that below as well. I think they were on sale for $125 for a brand new one, and that's down from the previous model. So that's a good one to jump on if you want that smooth looking video as you're walking around, riding around, driving around, riding skateboards, whatever you're doing. That's a good one. If you're a one-man show like I am, like I said, it has that tracking device, so it's good if you're walking around. It's going to move with you and follow you. Another toy I just purchased is a DJI Spark Drone. Now, I looked around at different drones, and this is the one. I mean, I'm a beginner, so this is my first drone to ever fly. Now, I've actually flown this one a few times. Very simple to fly. The quality of the videos, 1080p, it's all you really need for a beginner. I'll link all the information to this one below. I suggest getting the Fly More kit, or at least buying the extra battery, because these are only like 15-16 minute battery time. And make sure you buy the remote. This thing, it helps out a lot. Anyway, like I said, this thing is so easy to fly. Even I can do it, but great quality videos. That's a plus for that entry-level drone. I think this one is the best from all my research of months and months and months of research. It was kind of hard to spend $399 on this drone, but I think it was worth it. There's probably a better higher end, obviously, drones out there, but then again, they're a lot more expensive. And while we're at it, you might want to know what I use to edit my videos. Now there's so many choices out there. You can pick and choose what you want. Currently, I'm using WeVideo to edit my videos, and the reason why I chose that, it's cloud-based, so wherever I'm at, I can either download, upload videos. It doesn't matter. It doesn't use up any of my storage, so that's why I'm using that one. You can do a 1 year subscription or a month-to-month on that. Now, my graphics, I'm using PicMonkey for like my thumbnails. The WeVideo has the graphics in there, you know, like I'll put up like right here. You'll see those graphics on the WeVideo. But for my thumbnails, for my Facebook videos and my YouTube videos, I use PicMonkey. And you can use whatever you want, whatever you feel comfortable with. This is just what I use. Once again, thanks for hanging out with me today. And Trent, I hope you put this to good use. I hope this helps out. Message me below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.